Kotak Mutual Fund has launched new fund called Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. The new fund launched on 31st August 2023. The fund offer will end on 14th September 2023. Allotment date is 22nd September 2023. NAV is 10 rupees per unit. Minimum first time investment is 5,000 rupees and minimum SIP is 500 rupees. Minimum second time investment is 5,000 rupees onwards. Exit load is applicable if exit load excess of 30% of the investment, 1% will be charged for redemption within a year. Do you think how the big investors are winning in each year? Because they were rotating investment in every year. If you look at this chart, equity will not give standard return or more return in every year. So in 1 year equity will give more return and another year gold will give more return, another one debt will give sometimes more return. In 2022 gold has given 14% whereas others are giving only 4% like equity and debt market. Where in 2021 equity has given 32% of return but gold has given minus 4% and debt market given 4% of return. 2020 to 2018 gold has given good return, maximum 28%, minimum is 8%. But 2015 to 2012 gold has given negative return, maximum is minus 8%. We cannot predict as we are not watching all the time into the market throughout the day, or we are not the expert into the stock market. That is the reason we are choosing this kind of mutual fund, and the expert will be working for us to get more returns. Expert will balance our asset allocation in each year based on the market situation. Sometimes they will invest in equity and sometimes they will invest in gold and debt. So this mutual fund is not only investing in equity market, it will invest in gold, debt and other market as well. That's why we are calling this Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. As we are investing in multi-asset, we are called as Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. This fund will consider and invest in equity market 65 to 80%. In this portfolio, we'll consider 50 to 60 stocks. Next, in debt market, we'll consider 10 to 25%, mixed of sovereign gold bond and high quality corporate bonds. Next, in commodity market, 10 to 25% will consider this fund, either it is in ETCD or ETF. ETF we already know what is ETF, and ECTD is nothing but it is currency market. In commodity market they will consider ETF gold or ETCD currency like US dollar. Next, 0 to 15% will consider in overseas currencies. The main aim and mantra of this fund is aim to buy at low and sell on high. This fund will aim to increase allocation in equity when market valuation become cheaper, and vice versa when the market is in higher valuation they will sell their equity. For example, if the equity market is expensive they will consider reduce their equity exposure. At the same time, if the equity market is cheaper, then they will increase equity exposure, which means they will consider to buy quality stock at cheaper rate. If the market is neutral, they will not do anything. They will maintain their equity exposure. They will not sell or they will not buy anything. Benefit of this mutual fund is convenience of buying multiple asset, equity taxation, higher risk adjusted return potentially, and diversification across asset classes. Advantage of equity taxation. This fund is applicable short time capital gain, that is STCG, and long time capital gain tax LTCG. Short time capital gain is up to 12 months and long time capital gain is more than 12 months. Short time capital gain tax is 15% and long time capital gain is 10 lakhs if your returns more than 1 lakh. As we already said, this mutual fund will consider Nifty 500 and Nifty short duration debt fund and domestic price of gold and domestic price of silver, each in 5%, 5%, in debt market 20%, and in Nifty 500 65%. They will consider to invest in this multi-asset. This video is only for education and knowledge purpose. Before investing in this mutual fund, you can do your analysis and research, and then you can consider this mutual fund. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Keep on watching RN Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this.